in a world where we're playing some OP Mineplex Hunger Games. Okay, now, why is that guy standing still? Okay, yeah, let's go through here. Okay, the objective of this game, kill zombies. Alright, go! Oh my gosh! Oh, this is getting bad, Oh my gosh. What level am I on? I'm getting shot at! No, go! Let's go! Return to playable area! No! Help! Oh yes, done, got some food. Wow, that guy has some good stuff. Okay, enemies coming. Enemies are coming. Let's fight! Go! Let's go! Let's go fight! Okay, 16 experience, go! Let's go in here. In here. Nope, looted chest. Okay, alright, okay. I'm so injured. Let's fight. Go. Oh, I'm injured. Go. Let's go fight. Okay. Mobs are advancing. Go. Yeah. Kill mobs. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm injured. Get some soup. Drink some soup. Okay, alright. Okay, I've got 2 balls left. Okay, where's the giant zombie? Where is he? Where's the giant zombie? Oh my gosh, giant zombie, where are you? I am here to kill you, giant zombie. Go. Oh yeah, spiders and even more spiders. Oh dear, this is getting bad. Okay, go. Let's go. Let's go forward. Attack. Fight joyously. Spider. Go. Fight. I'm hurt. More spiders. Go. Fight. Oh. Retreat. Go. Retreat. I'm ordering retreat. Go. Oh! Let's fight. I'm injured. Oh! No, please don't kill me. No. Run. Go. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Oh. No, this is bad. This is so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take out my bow. Ghosts in midair. Kill the ghosts. Okay, take them out. Ugh. I took him out. Oh, I'm injured. Go. Run. Take cover. Go. Ah! Take out the ghosts in the air. Fire. Is it hitting its mark? Nope. No! So bye guys, see you in the next video and goodbye.